Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to add debit card, for payment method in Xbox console. Whether it might be Xbox One or Xbox Series. If you're struggling to add your debit card on your Xbox console, first you need to check if you are within US, right? It's very easy. You need not to do anything. So definitely local debit card will work. But if you're outside US person, right? For example, if you're in India and you need to verify whether your debit card is for eligible international transactions, you can check your debit card. They might have mentioned this international debit card, which means you are eligible for international transaction, but you need to enable on your net banking. Okay. So you need to log into your account. If you're having account on Chase Bank in India, it's HDFC, ICICI, State Bank of India. If you're outside US, right? So you need to enable this international transactions. There also you can set the limit for amount spending. First, you need to verify whether your debit card is eligible for international transactions and then enable it and then come to Xbox console. It will be very easy to add. So I'm going to add it. So go to the settings. Under settings, right, come to account and then move to payment and billing. And here go to payment options. Right now there is no card, so I'm going to add a new payment method. So here I'm able to add credit card or debit card with a Visa or MasterCard or American Express. Debit card, I'm going to add it. The main purpose of the video is adding debit card. So here I need to provide the exact details of my cards. Card holder name. Provide your card information and you need to enter the right address which should matching with your credit card or debit card. Okay. So I'm going to tap next. Here you need to enter the exact address of your debit card. Just check your statement or any letters. There you can see the billing address. So enter the same here. Check the state and postal code, everything, and tap save. So it's trying to save the card. If it is successful, right? So you might have got some debit on your debit card. Some amount will be deducted on your credit card for verification purpose. That is not refund. That is not refundable. Yes, I got the message. Some amount has been deducted. Finally, I am able to successfully add my debit card. Super good. And if you want to edit, right, simply tap edit and you can update it. And if you want to remove the card, right, that also you can remove it. So that's it, friends. So this is the easiest way to add. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to make it from. Thank you. Bye. Take care.